What's going on YouTube? StrikeBest301 here. In case you're wondering, this is part 2 of the Christmas special that I wanted to do. For this one, I will be opening 2 packages that have a special, something special inside, which hopefully should be Pokemon cards. These are cards that I ordered online. I have one here and one here. We will be opening those 2 on camera today. With a third one on the way. That one I may show. Sorry. That one I may show on camera at some point once it comes. But we're gonna set this up, and I will be right back. Okay, so the first of this Christmas special card opening is one that comes from Mrs. Elizabeth Gorano. I'm not sure if I'm reading that right. From East Setaucus, New York. So that's upstate. Okay, so I hope this is the card that I specifically ordered special. Let's see here. Okay. Aim says thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Ooh. Thank you. I may use this. So let's see. I ordered 2 of these, so let's put one on camera. Focus. Thank you. Discover the secrets of the unknown. Can you find the hidden message? More all new Pokemon inhabit the Pokemon Neo Discovery set, and some of them can spell doom for your opponents. Unknown Pokemon join new Darkness, Metal, and Baby Pokemon to test your world powers. Will you score an A? Catch the unknowns and find out. Now this is sealed, but if I'm right, this is the entei card I ordered. Man, I kind of don't want to open it, but I'm gonna open this one just to see if this is the card. If this is the card, it's getting sleeved immediately. I ordered 2 of these, so let's see. And looks like yes, it is. Let's see. Focus. Yes, it's the promo entei card. All holographic and all, oh yeah. Wow, this is a powerful card, I tell you that much. Oh yeah, let me see. Pokemon Power Bolt. Whenever your opponent's attack damages Entei, unless the attack knocks out Entei, flip a coin if heads, shuffle Entei and all cards attached to this into your deck. The power cannot be used if Entei is already asleep, confused, or paralyzed when it is damaged. So basically that's like the Roar ability. And then Protective Flame. During your opponent's next turn, prevent all effects of attacks including damage done to your bench Pokemon. Cool. Alright, so this one, once I get sleeves, I'm definitely going to put them back. Alright, so again, to Elizabeth Gorano, thank you very much for these cards, and thank you for the little note here. You got very nice handwriting, I must say. I'm sorry, Mrs. Elizabeth. Well, no. My bad. But yes, you got nice handwriting. Definitely could use this. Alright, so that does it for that one. Put that to the side. And now for this second one that comes all the way from Orem, Utah. It just says Project Chase LLC. I think this comes from a company specifically, so I forgot to get my scissors. Oh well, we're gonna open this the old-fashioned way. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, crap. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's see here. No! Why do I keep hitting the camera? Why do I keep hitting the camera? Okay, I got my scissors, or as Nappy calls them, skizzers. Let's open this thing. Let's open this thing the right way. Nice! Okay, so let's open this. Ooh, got a bunch of cards in this one. Okay. As you can see, a Pharaoh's the first card. Put that to the side. Let's see here. Ooh, this is a bit perplexing. Oh boy, this could take a while. Bye. Lord, help me now. Nah, I'm just joking. Huh? Wait a sec. Does it? Oh boy, I think I see some special cards here. I'm gonna put those two to the side. See, Pharaoh. We have a Pharaoh. Far-fetched. Ooh, nice little grammar card. Paris. Nidorina. Babasar. Execute. Hunter. Wheezing. Cadabra. Ivysaur. See you. Amaro. Heracross! Ooh, I always like this art here of Machop. Basically holding up a boulder. A Charmander. Oh, another Machop. Magic crap. Nah, I'm just joking. Coffee. Dunsparce. Oh, this is the original one, too. Nice. Unknown. Oh, I think I actually am missing this one. Unknown You. Another Grimer. Unknown I. Doggone. Magnemite. Plus power. Oh wait, I've never had this one. Challenge. Ask your opponent if he or she accepts your challenge. If your opponent declines, or if both benches are full, draw 2 cards. If your opponent accepts each of you, search your decks for any number of basic Pokemon cards and put them face down onto your benches. A player can't do this if his or her bench is full. When you both have finished, shuffle your decks and turn those cards face up. Interesting. Heal Powder, Moo Moo Milk, Potion. This one's upside down. Bill. I love the Bill card. The Boss's Way. Search your deck for an evolution card with Dark in its name. Show it to your opponent and put it into your hand. Shuffle your deck afterwards. Okay. Full Heal Energy card? I've never heard of this one. If you play this card from your hand, the Pokemon you attach it to is no longer affected by a special condition. Full Heal Energy provides normal energy. Doesn't count as a basic energy card. Okay. Grass Energy, Fist Energy, Fist Energy. That's Fighting Energy, sorry. Cubone, Seeking, Goldeen, Weeping Bell, Tauros, Execute, a Meowth, another Paris, Anita Rand. Oh shit, a Mew promo. Whoa, pre-release. Really? But first, I have a few of these. I might give some of these away finally. And my gosh, is this Misty's Seadra a pre-release card? Holy crap! It's got Tail Snap and Knockout Needle. Flip 2 coins. If both of them are heads, this attack does 30 damage plus 60 more damage. If one or both of them are tails, this attack only does 30. Cool! Has low AP, but cool. And now, I think I know what this one is. There's any way I can... Okay, I'm gonna regret this, I really am. I really don't want to open these, but oh man, I just gotta know if this is another Entei card. Because if it is, oh my gosh, I have 3 Entei cards, which means one is gonna be a giveaway. Let me make sure. Another Entei, holy crap! It's a little bent, but that's okay. Once it's in the sleeve, it will be safe. Okay, so I have 3 of these. One I was planning to give away, give to my friend. And now with a 3rd one, I think I'm gonna put that in a giveaway. And then Legendary Birds. Look at the 3 clues on the other side and fill in the crossword puzzle. We can't give you any other clues, but trust us, it's not for the birds. Once you've figured out the puzzle, bring in this card to any Pokemon Trading Card Game League location when you have the right answer, and you'll get an all-new promotional card and earn league points. Well, this is old, so that no longer is in effect. Yeah, 98, so... But that's okay. It would have been nice. And this one is Moltres. I think... Oh! Almost hit the camera. So this one is Moltres. God damn, only one move. It is a Moltres promo. Hyper Flame, flip a coin. If heads, discard 1 fire energy card attached to Moltres. If tails, discard all energy cards attached to Moltres. If you can't discard energy cards, this attack does nothing. Okay, that's a little confusing, but okay. So, oh my gosh. Definitely, I'm getting sleeves tomorrow for this, and I have 2 open ones and 1 unopened. 1 open special promo for the Neo packs, and I know they're all enteis. So 1 is for me, 1 is for my friend who I wanted to get it for, and that means my last one, my third one, will be a giveaway. I'll probably have more info on that in a upcoming video, but yeah, if anyone's interested, I got a promo entei card up for grabs. Just so you know, promo entei up for grabs in my second giveaway. More on that in probably in a day or 2, probably tomorrow. For now, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little card opening I had. And good luck to all of you who do want to enter in this little contest. I'll have more details tomorrow. And also wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Or a happy related Christmas, since this technically is going to go up after Christmas. And I hope everyone stays safe for New Year's and enjoys. Thank you very much. I will see you next time.